In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voting poll in Google Forms 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable poll ready for responses. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in so your work saves automatically. Once you're in Drive, look to the top left and click New. From the menu that appears, choose Google Forms. If you see multiple options, pick the standard Google Forms option, not a quiz template. On the Forms landing page, select Blank Form to start from scratch. This keeps things simple and avoids pre-filled content you don't need. At the top, give your form a clear descriptive title. A short description beneath it is helpful too, especially if voters need context or rules. Keeping the title concise makes the link preview and email shares look neat. In the first question field, type the question you want people to vote on. Keep it focused, like which option should we choose? Or vote for your favorite design. On the question's right side, open the question type menu and change it to multiple choice. This ensures each voter selects exactly one option, which is ideal for straightforward polls. Add your options one by one, aim for clear, mutually exclusive choices, and avoid overlap that could confuse voters. If you want to gather write-in suggestions, consider adding an other option so people can type a custom answer. Short, consistent phrasing keeps the poll easy to scan. Before you share anything, click Preview at the top. This opens your poll in a new tab, exactly how respondents will see it. Try selecting an option and make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile. If something feels off, close the preview and tweak the wording or options back in the editor. When you're satisfied, click the Publish or Send button at the top right to prepare your poll for sharing. In the sharing dialog, choose to copy the responder link. This gives you a URL that anyone with the link can use to vote. Click Copy to place it on your clipboard. Now you can paste that link wherever your audience is, email, chat, a website, or social media. If you want a cleaner looking link, you can shorten it or generate a QR code before sharing. That's it. You've created a polished voting poll in Google Forms. Test, publish, copy the link, and send it out. Happy polling.